Orofo Mwakwaba, Kahuse, latest and hot news, Eramede, bro. And uti se unyan subscribe to channel idea, but more than say over subscribe to channel. Now, while like video, no give us a thumbs up, na fee. Share to all platforms. Now, for so, enye bihe na winning who and someone ekoso, ewo Ghana memohanum. Yada so jina ye Ken Ofori Atta akachi na insensembibri a PP, a year offshore dealings be about tuja. Na ansana mede ensembli nyina beba no ebekwa kohwe eye no comment video na fe yeba yabetoa eye ensemodo so yenkohwe eye no comment video no
to the issues that are deep in your heart, and then we can answer them on one-on-one basis, so we can engage in a conversation in which in the end we are talking about the Black Star shining again, a people who are proud, a people who are prosperous, a people who are well educated, a people who are ready to share and sacrifice so that all of us, our 30 million people, will move ahead. But I can tell you, as my colleague, Deputy Minister said, we are not going to the IMF. Whatever we do, we are not. The consequences are there. We are a proud nation. We have the resources. We have the capacity. Don't let anybody tell you. Like when Joshua, Caleb, and the 10 others went to spy on the promised land, and only 2 of them came to say that we can do it. And the 10 went around the community murmuring, you can't, We are not people of short sight, and we have to move on, okay? So let's think of us as who we are, a proud, strong people, the shining star of Africa, and we have the capacity to do what we want to do. If only we can speak that one language and ensure that we burden share in the issues ahead.
Orofo yentoa eye ensem so eye abrati be friend Dr. Ren wode ensem bebre atodwa fa ye Ken Ofori Atta hunsensem eye offshore dealings bia age ede betudwa no eye wode echichirimu aba ene quarter eye Ken Ofori Atta ebeko eye on the 20th wadobusuko ede ensem bebre atodwa fa ye Ken Ofori Atta wakudi eye ice detention hunsensem na ententemara yensemre no yenkuti eye ensem eye abranti ede tudwa efa ye Ken Ofori Atta home.
So say he has 28 charges filed by the OSP, Office of the Special Prosecutor. Now, my main son can't also say Dr. Akuritinga Ayeni enso eye ne nhwehwemu we hunu eye offshore financial dealings on omo side omo ye de omo eye hu adwuma, and it is under review omo ye de nhwehwemu. Now, FBI believe we say Ken Ofori Atta will be given fair trial in Ghana. And in FBI there, visa. But it's all about say, me baba investi wo kroni, me baba be adwuma. Before the night, $5 million US. Under a year the Joe Biden and co a year administration. Anna Donald Trump by obey from 5 million or about 1 million. In the all that Ken Ofori Atta could show no or says he cannot to invest into the American economy. In fact, Ken Ofori Atta or more than that. I've told you Ken Ofori Atta is a billionaire. $1 billion on a year will be a 1 million cedis. And I know say a year ora Akuritinga Ayeni a year AG Attorney General of Ghana Edin 70 because the offshore dealings be a war offshore sika a war woman sika ketwa. We are not joking. A sika betum diache not even less than 3 or 4 regions in Ghana. Ama a cronium widen, abaya krabeshe, ama enuma ebuso. But wickedly womu yese the Ghana fosika ebe kwako gugu nkofo mines na nkofo enya access to a yes sika no dia ye enuma ama womu krono etumpon. Intimini wo kan yi de a year ora Attorney General Edi Baba Betu Ebia. Now, Ken Ofori Atta sa window no so no shut because oni visa. Worked with a team in the United States of America. In good time, I will tell you the team if they ask me to say it. Because team ni bi wa woman Ken Ofori Atta na nkasa no omu dealings bi ankoye. And you could say the team also are not happy with the way Ken Ofori Atta managed the country's finances. It affected many of the team. And so Ken Ofori Atta no, they saw and they said that it's time for him to come and account for his stewardship. In fact, some of the team members are also aware of Ken Ofori Atta's offshore sika what transfer into other countries. He tried to play smart or outsmart some of these people by trying to say obey 419. These people are people, I don't know. They are so many brisika, you know, and then and they now he is trying every ways and every possible all his possible best. Say on him sa and confodi be away US one. Obepa o match no matina se no maboa no my day. Etimi aboa ahwe na yan yeden yan fa number on my Ghana. Now, you move on to the other aspect of Ken Ofori Atta. Many will say, asemo, so be a science, echo sign, obi. Ken Ofori Atta, ye kind. And on the 20th, the case, no, immigration case, no, the chances are, or what? Very, very slim. So, Obetina USA. The chances are very slim. So, Obetina USA. Now, me debe tu bia the amount. United States of America, Donald Trump are wild to crack down illegal immigrants. Seriously. Enye agudie. Kra. Ano no si eche no ni crackta. Now, maybe catch him say, oh yes, obeya warrior, even before Attorney General. I say, I came to tell you, say, you revoke a year ne visa no. Oh yes, obeya a warrior coin so. And now say, or de ne ba, bema, ebe say, or ye guardian to ne ba. Sa process no, our person will try no, and ya dia process ne befa. Because you can only do that process when you have a valid visa. Only visa to go on that process. There is a window, a woman, but with that window, no, so it is shut because it revoking the visa. And son, yes, obe try that window. The window, then they say America for say, so person obabet na America. Now, a was sitting now. One, you can apply. Now, yamao a business. They have a term of fresh a particular visa. But it's all about say, me baba investi with krone, me baba be ejuma. Before the night, $5 million US under a year the Joe Biden and co administration. I know. Obey from 5 million or they about 1 million. In the all that Ken Ofori Atta could show no or was to invest into the American economy. In fact, Ken Ofori Atta was more than that. I've told you Ken Ofori Atta is a billionaire. $1 billion. On a year will be a 1 million cedis. And I know say ura akoretinga ayeni AG Attorney General of Ghana Edin 72 because the offshore dealings be a war offshore sika a war woman sika ketwa. We are not joking. A sika betim chere not even less than three or four regions in Ghana. Ama a kronim widen abaya krabehwe ama enwuma ebuso. But wickedly no when we say the Ghana fosika ebe kwako gugu nkofo mines na nkofo enya access to a yes sika no dia ye enwuma ama wo mu kro no etumpon. Intimini wo kan yi de a year ora Attorney General Eddie Baba betu ebia. Now, Ken Ofori Atta sa window no so no shut because only visa. It only visa there ontimi apply because you need to have a friend is saying a visa or the abe rakronim and sana wetimi apply and also wetimi apply when we were Ghana Now I apply, say, open so be a business, and then they will give you that a year visa. No, but me know what say there. All windows are a sit now closed. So they are turning a year. A friend is saying, the immigration a year 20th a year January a year the immigration a year a friend said court obekono. The immigration judge no. The hands are tied to, Obeka said, yeah, man, a window to stay in the United States of America. Indeed, this is what is going to happen. Already, FBI is also alerting a friend. He said the immigration said Ken Ofori Atta is coming from a country is known to be very peaceful. They uphold the rule of law. So Ken Ofori Atta will have no problems if he go back to his country. Now, this is a friend is saying, Adia, Ababaya Diama Ken Ofori Atta. What is Ken Ofori Atta's option and the lawyers, Ediamano? The option is very simple, and the lawyers, Ato Amano. It is now time for you to tell a judge, they say, we gay. Only Bema, any Bema Eda. That you are afraid that when you go to Ghana, the treatment Edema Bema ni Bema Eda bad over in Ghana. With that one, judge, ebet me ama a window. That window no means yenya a friend is saying your checks. Say no crack. But you see, and also no, I heard ya farmer because already no, yem fast sebio trumu bill them call ye, Emma President Asante say ye chip bear money a crime. Ye young openly no, sa emrano a call court no, a call parliament no, President a young conco Tony under a Akufo Addo no or unsigned. So say one sign. And indeed, that window no see is still slim. So the beginaso edinyan krata. Ana ewa into 1 year. So a castle on that a year line said the lawyer for a catcher and said it is 2 things and the person okay. 1, when the bear money bear mother. 2. Okwa Ghana, mam o a friend is saying, man right no, betia so. Omo mao a fair hearing, when someone ye dear toso. Tisan your mam way. Anna Kenneth Nanaya Kuntun Kununkun Ofori Atta, 20th, or the Jinaswa, or they call court. Makacha say free detention center on court. Or betna detention center via Zoom. Ana omonino ebedin komo. One chile di entia emayem fane magana. Now, share emra FBI for enya passport makoma yensa. FBI for say passport ni nyina no. When it deem a link to say or ye Ghana ni ana Ghana nso nye kura entokwasi enti okọ Ghana ne ho beton. Now sa 3 passport no ehun asem but CCA ni de me mfa ntudwa because wo mo me information no esementu me boase enti merepem no mo me ho kwan a but the passport me and Saneba Betuja. Ama mahunu enkofo a moto abama wo under the name of a MPP. The Dankwa Dombo Buziafo. Wo mo tsu ene wo mo bai. Emrepemu no be de baba Betuja. Kenneth Nanaya Kuntun Kununkun Ofori Atta. Now, something has happened. Na making kind ama. You already know. Almost say immigration court no engina so omo mpamo Ken Ofori Atta free USA. Iti FBI so ebe defend omo claim say Ken Ofori Atta okọ Ghana boni bi anto no, he will be given a fair trial. In fact, the FBI SIT said, eye onu Ken Ofori Atta ni nua and na former ni cousin na former president. Na ni cousin da so te Ghana boni bi anto. The FBI also cited said the political party a ewo opposition no omo kwa akoyi omo flag bearer omo ye campaign a obi antete aban no a wote so nkofo enkohunahuna omo kobo wo omo ewo rallies a wo mo ye ho campaign a wo mo ye ho eti FBI se ono de omo gidi se party Ghana ayo omo party members yentete wo mo de a omo gidi se Ken Ofori Atta nyu obi a okọ Ghana aban ne betete eti Ken Ofori Atta eye den a kian ken by 21st to 22nd ekode obeba Ghana aba be face eye ne trial now ne eye lawyers are omo Ghana Frank Davids aka sembi and I think it is very fair say me read the assembly Frank Davids and they will come with Joy News. This is what a year Frank Davids aka a Joy News and so I reported. In fact, I want to quote Edema a year Frank Davids assembly or call Joy FM or call Kaya Joy and so I report. Or say a year Ken's extradition. Now listen here and listen attentively with all respect, my fellow countrymen and women. Or say, Sedinam Temaklu Ationu has been convicted by a court of competent jurisdiction of corruption and corruptible as blood running through her veins. Ken Ofori Atta has palm kernel oil, adjungu, in his veins. So, is he now more important than Sedinam, who has been convicted? He asks. Is this the justice we are preaching in Ghana? These double standards and hypocrisy and intellectual dishonesty would not aid Ghana. Now, this is what Eye Ura Frank Davis Ede Aka and then we can say Joy FM Eden Eye Oko Joy FM or the two. Now, Mameka asem we enter Ghana for. There is something I'm a friend of. A year referendum Ghana for Madaroma. Yeah. Now that referendum, no, anything. Anytime it be a media house, ever can some a political news be just go and read the comment. And to this particular Frank Davis there, no. You better share Joy News. Oh, now you share the referendum comments. No, now say be wait here. Asemwa aide akoso. The referendum Ghana for iti mameno ni yankin kai. Referendum no. Na uno asemwa Frank Davis kai no. The way Ghana for so ede woman ano atum. Eja womoka assembly bi na very very interesting. Yebekin kai and seminar. Anyway, me will Joy FM4 page so that you understand. This is Joy News page. Timebekin kai. the comment section. We call comment section. So this is comment section. What you say? Timiba be reading what referendum, Ghana referendum, no, Womoka. One, or say, MPP was in power. This is 2 hours ago. Nidin Oga Willie Knock into what page now? And what is the bidding of them? To steal from the poor people, amass the wealth, and then make sure, say, Obeko now transfer to offshore accounts. And overseas countries are who really can do what it says Switzerland. You be bow home by no what kroni. So today, Ghanaians are becoming more wiser and wiser. And that is why I tell people that when politicians tell you that politics is a dirty game, that politician is a criminal. That politician is a thief. Because it is not a dirty game. If it is a dirty game, and then we getting involved in that particular game. Because they want to steal. They want to steal the natural resources. What you say? They want to steal the natural resources. And that is why this particular year, the solution show, Dr. Ren TV, you need to subscribe and let's build a family. Yeah. Move forward. This is what our ancestors fought for. To ensure so that they can give us some dignity. Let me tell you simple. Any Ghanaian living in abroad is because on my Ghana and maybe a say or minor after the 1966 coup to Kwame Nkrumah. Intiaba abrochira ni abeka. Then we visit home once in a while because in him said in human ni kronim abrochiri anya yebenya bi near the sika kofie e de abobra e de ahwefi. But se kronimu ye na opportunities wom na enyuma ekoso a many Ghanaians will not prefer living in abroad in the cold. We will prefer living a sunshine. Today, I want to tell you, say, this government led by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, maybe you and I were not around when Nkrumah was president. But John Mahama is trying to tell us that there came our forefathers who fought hard to give us dignity. And that today he has also come to champion that a friend is saying, but this time around here, then so John Mahama said, you can run, but you can never hide. We will come for you. We will come for you to come and account for your stewardship. And in Abusia, then the Etienne said, Ora Ken Ofori Atta, Kiane King, Obeba Ghana, after 20th January. Wama Ghana dia, Obeda Detention Center, Papa. And he is prepared to stay at a detention center for as long as Ope. On person Obeba. No Ababeda in some prison. Then so, or training mu time. Odi asichire botoma. Odi gari botoma. In some ewo ho etwe. It will be bia wo wiesika. Ebo wo mind chrono. Let the laws of the nation deal with that person. Now you see, the time ewo MPP for no ebi hu ne say. Omoba chrono ni wie no mo kotina abrochire a. No mo sua fake accent. Te say na nado danko Akufo Addo. No mo ba betina Ghana Irish kontomiri. As if say we should measure intelligence with Obia or Kabrov. And just a language. She said, you make country, and I make cans and mammy krum kasa, and I will be ka hausa, and I will be ka frafa, and I anchor. And Teresa Uyunyan Seni. onyansani ni oba oman ne man to me na wachichiri kuro ne man manfo ne nyamfaso wono wo kire se wo onyansani.
Ken Ofori Atta's big American lawyer John Ashkoff in big trouble. Now, remember where you heard it first. John David Ashkoff, we told you and we broke the news here that he was Ken Ofori Atta's American lawyer. We told you that before the Attorney General came to tell you. Okay? Now, we also put on record that this was a former Attorney General from 2001 to 2005. And he's not an ordinary man. He's a singer in the Assemblies of God Church. At the same time, this man here is also a former MP. In America, they call them senators. This man here, my brother, my sister, is also a very interesting guy. He's a university professor of law. And they have established a certain scholarship using his name. They love him and respect him in America. This is the guy. This was the guy who was approached by Ken Ofori Atta after Ken Ofori Atta got wind of the fact that this man was working with the Attorney General of Ghana to have him extradited. Ethically, a lawyer is not supposed to jump ships like that. If I am a lawyer for Kwabena and Kwabena is in a case with Mansa, so Kwabena versus Mansa, I am in the camp of Kwabena. Under no circumstances should I ever be seen to be in the camp of Mansa. Ethically in law, you don't do that. Because it is assumed that you have heard a lot from Kwabena and you can use that information for the benefit of Mansa, the adversary. But this is what this guy has done to us. He was working with the Attorney General to have Ken Ofori Atta brought back to Ghana in extradition. Long before that, the Attorney General, Dr. Dominic Akuritinga Ayine, had told him, hey, there's this guy there called Ken Ofori Atta. I am investigating him. I've realized there's some offshore issues. In fact, he has his dirty fingers in there. And he gave information to this man, a lot of information. And John David Ashkoff was helping to bring down Ken Ofori Atta because he's a former Attorney General and a professor of law. So he knows the ins and outs of American law. And Dominic Akuritinga Ayine believed in him. My brother, when Ken Ofori Atta heard this, and the extradition docket was sent to the American people, Ken quickly went to see this guy and told him, you know what? I know that you are working with my people in Ghana to bring me down. Name your price, I will pay you. He mentioned it. Bam, 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 bam. Big money. He churned out the money, doled it out, spread it on the table like a mat. And he got very, very greedy and accepted it. Right now, their conversations changed. Instead of calling Dominic Akuritinga Ayine and saying that, you know what? This your man. Let's go here, let's go here. We will get him extradited. He started to speak a different language. What did he say? He said, hey, you know what? Are you sure that the extradition, when he comes home, he will have a fair trial, he will have a safe passage? He said, of course, you know that. But when he went back to Kennedy, I beg your pardon, Ken Ofori Atta, and told him, Charlie, go to Ghana. He said, no, I didn't pay you to send me back to Ghana. I want to remain here. Why are you talking about me going to Ghana? Make sure that I remain here. I've paid. Or you want more money? So now, This guy here called John David Ashcroft went back to the Attorney General of Ghana and told him that, you know what? Let me be frank with you. I am now in the camp of Ken Ofori Atta. And Akrutinga Ayene put his hand on his head. Ethically, this is not supposed to be done. The last time I checked, the Attorney General was sitting in meetings to see how this man here can be sued for conflict of interest in one way or the other. But the Attorney General doesn't seem to be interested in that suit. But it gave him another option to be able to get to the Americans and get Ken come home through a revocation of his visa. We have given you all the information. What is new today? Come here. Now, John David Ashcroft handpicked another lawyer by name Inayat Kasimi. Full name Inayatullah Kasimi. This guy, he's a specialist extradition lawyer. His specialty, listen, is in extradition. And he only works for top-notch VVIP people around the world. Now, once you are arrested by ICE, Immigration and Customs Enforcement of America, 98% of the time, you are going home. But this man is a specialist when it comes to extradition. So he's known and renowned all over America. Now this man here called Inayat Kasimi, he was born and bred in Afghanistan. And listen to this, it's very important. He was handpicked by John David Ashcroft, knowing his pedigree. He says, I have a top-notch client. I want you to help him. Make sure that he remains here. And most of the time, this guy never fails. Inayat Kasimi. He was born in Afghanistan. In 2004, the president of Afghanistan decided to make him the Minister of Transport and Aviation. Transport and Aviation. At the time, he was only 26 years. Can I just go back a bit? This man has 2 dates of birth. Like that guy in Kumasi. Reverend Kusi Boateng. 2 different dates of birth. 1979. And then later, 1969. 10 years. What a man. What happened? In 2004, he was supposed to be the Transport and Aviation Minister. But the laws of the country said, you cannot be a minister if you are less than 35 years. But the country still wanted him to be a minister because he was sharp. He went to school in America, so sharp. So his age was forced and changed from the 79 birth to 1969, 10 years interval. Like Abedi Pele was going to play for the Black Stars and his age was so low, they had to increase it by 2 years or so he could play for the Black Stars. That was what happened to this guy. Initially born in 1979, all of a sudden, because of politics and office, 69 born. And when he went in there, controversies. After his tenure of office in 2006, 5 years later, in 2011, another government came into power and held him. He had allegedly stolen $9 million American from the people of Afghanistan. In fact, he had gone into a certain deal that was supposed to procure 4 aircrafts for the Afghan nation. Do you understand? And the 4 aircrafts, he had Tróuble, what we call in Ghana Tróuble, kickback, $9 million American dollars. But he was behind bars for only 3 days. The new leader quickly brought him out and cancelled all the charges and said that they were baseless. From that time, he found himself in America again, practicing his law, top-class lawyer. This man here is a controversial lawyer. The Afghan people still think that he's a criminal who ran away with their $9 million American dollars. A lot of them believe that it was politically stirred up. My brother, my sister, these are the 2 big names around Ken Ofori Atta. But interestingly, Victor Smith has spoken. Who is Victor Smith? He spoke with Joy FM. And he told Joy FM that he went all the way to the Caroline Detention Center. And remember yesterday we told you this. To speak with Ken Ofori Atta. And Ken refused that he doesn't need any help from Ghana. All Ghanaians should leave him in peace and go away. Now, and remember we told you this before it broke. The FBI is involved in the case of Ken Ofori Atta. 5 different agents and institutions. 5 in America. And we gave you all the info. Now the interesting thing is, if it was all about immigration, ICE would have been the only outfit interested in that. But once FBI has its hand there, as told to us by Victor Smith, the Ghana ambassador to America, there is no way Ken is going to stay there. He will come home. Can I tell you more? Why is the FBI interested in Ken? Yesterday we gave you a gist. Can we go deeper today? My brother, my sister, the Attorney General told us point blank that he is investigating Ken Ofori Atta in one aspect, not the SML. And what is the aspect? Offshore. Do you know what it means to say offshore? Do you know the intricacies of offshore crimes? What are offshore crimes? What is the Attorney General investigating specifically in this Ken Ofori Atta offshore crime? Run the dossier. Watch this. Offshore crimes involve illegal activities using maritime routes or offshore financial centers, including piracy, smuggling, human and drug trafficking, and illegal fishing, often linked to transnational organized crime for money laundering, tax evasion. Hallelujah. Ken Ofori Atta made a lot of money using his data bank. All the money that came into the country, he had a cut. Did he launder the money? What other dealings was he involved in that had to do with offshore crimes? Money laundering, tax evasion. Can we enter into that? Now watch this. These crimes exploit the vastness of the sea and secrecy in financial havens, affecting trade, security, food, and food supply, and require international cooperation. Listen, this is the most important part of it. And require international cooperation to combat effectively. Happen. If Ghana is having an international cooperation, and I'm very careful when I'm telling you this, Ghana has contacted 5 institutions, and we gave you all that. Go back and watch. Some of you say, you know, and we bring you too much information, okay? So go back and watch. 5 institutions. Why will Ghana go after a man with 5 American institutions? 1 man with such a heavy international cooperation and collaboration. Hey, I have a few pictures I feel like putting up for you to see what I see, but I'm not permitted. At the right time, you will see them first here. The home of exclusives. Bring back those here. Okay? Now watch this. Types of offshore crimes, maritime piracy and armed robbery. Forget about that. Smuggling and trafficking. Hey. Leave that out. Flip the page. Illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing. Leave that out. Financial crimes. That is where my interest is. Hallelujah. Money laundering, tax evasion, fraud, and corruption, often facilitated by offshore financial centers. Ay. Kai, dodo. Kai, sheye bahuyale. Kai. My brother, my sister, that is all I am interested in. Now come to the key characteristics. Transnational and organized often involves complex networks operating across multiple jurisdictions using shell companies and secrecy to hide illicit funds.
Yo, order for waiting and someone about to Jeff Ken Ofori Atta, Dr. Ren Abro, and Sammy Bresu, Ken Ofori Atta offshore dealings, who sent Sammy what the Dingina Ababe to Jane, Kota or Beconoso, who Simjina what the Ababe to Ja. Because se we subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe to channel. Now, while like video, give us a thumbs up, and share to all platforms. Said the Ato Forson ebenye bi ahwe. Na wana hu eye and somewhere koso ewo Ghana be mo hanom. Also bet me at share wadwen afa eye and somewhere nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu. Mobeti minka biom in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.